The Indian cement industry is the second largest producer of quality cement and occupies an important place in the national economy, being one of the major contributors to the exchequer by way of indirect taxes. Sitapuram, located 90 kilometers away from Vijayawada and 200 kilometers from Hyderabad, is a major industrial area of cement production in India. Zuari cement has the largest number of mines in the Nalgonda district. The cement here, sourced from the natural cement-grade limestone, is famous for its consistency in quality. The company has two mining leases of 3,300 acres, 3 kilometers away from the plant. The company is at present operating 3 benches with haul distance of 3.25 kilometers one way. The plant is also close to the state-owned Singareni collieries, which meets 65% of coal requirement for kiln operation. The plant has received awards for lighting and electrification for conforming to the standards laid down by the Department of Electrical and Instrumentation. The mined limestone is carried over to the crusher through dumpers for size reduction. Later, this is fed into the crusher at a controlled manner by hydraulic push feeder located below the receiving hopper, and it is crushed and ground to provide the raw meal, a pale flour-like powder. After getting crushed, the limestone of size below 20 mm falls on the conveyor and is transported to the stockpile along with iron ore and laterite, and this combination is fed into raw mills for fine grinding by corresponding gravimetric wave feeders. The existing raw mills are of type closed-circuit center discharge. Preheater exit hot gases are taken into the mill to drive out the moisture present in the feed, at the same time maintaining required draft and temperature within the mill. Heated to around 1450 degrees Celsius in rotating kilns, the meal undergoes complex chemical changes and is transformed into clinker. The ground material is fed to the separator for fine and coarse separation. Fine grinding the clinker together with a small quantity of gypsum produces cement. The fine material is the final product sent to storage, whereas the coarse material is again sent back to mill for further grinding. The stored cement from silo is extracted through rotary screen to remove any nibs present, and then fed into the packer hoppers for packing. There are 4 numbers of rotary electronic packers with total capacity of 550 TPH. HDPE or paper bags of desired grade are inserted into the spouts manually for packing, which fills the bag with exactly 50 kg. The present facility is adequate to dispatch 10,000 TPD. High quality online back printing system prints the details of the bag like date of packing, batch number, price, etc. at the same time. A new railway line has been added recently to dispatch cement for long distances. Present dispatch ratio of road is rail is 60:40, and movement by rail is expected to increase in the future. Sitapuram plant produces 3 grades of cement, that is OPC 43G, OPC 53G and PPC, with a very low free lime content and very low magnesia content, ensuring reduced tensile cracks, and with high proportion of silicates, providing silicate gels of high impermeability. Zuari cement has a well-equipped testing laboratory as per BIS guidelines, working around the clock for monitoring cement manufacturing at every stage. The products are in strict adherence to quality technical standards of ISO 9001 and 14001 certifications. Quality is checked under the strict production process control at each point of purchase and when receiving incoming materials, throughout the production process and the complete product. Recognizing the noteworthy efforts in the export front, Sitapuram Works was awarded the prestigious CAPEXIL Certificate for Merit for the year 2005-2006. Sitapuram unit received Safety Corporate Recognition for 3 years for safe working standards of permanent employees. The company implements all the group safety policies as and when they come into force. Daily gate meetings, safety rounds and safety training to contract workmen are followed regularly to maintain the safety objective of the group. To meet group safety standards, more than 400 unsafe conditions or situations were permanently removed as part of the safety initiative. The Sitapuram unit received State First Award in the large-scale industry sector for the state of Andhra Pradesh from the government of Andhra Pradesh. Platinum safety rules were formulated to reinforce the need of basic safety. Daily disturbance to kiln operation due to grid power crisis is completely avoided by prior modification of 132 kilovolt power sources with approvals and coordination with 5 different government agencies. The plant has also adopted nearby areas and converted them into green belts which are maintained responsibly, thus further reducing environmental impact. The company has always been a frontrunner in corporate social responsibility initiatives. All statutory welfare facilities to employees and their dependents, like medical, educational, accommodation facilities, club and entertainment facilities, purified mineral water, canteen and conveyance facilities are provided in an impressive manner. In keeping with its social responsibility towards community development, the company provides facilities for the villagers around the plant, like organizing medical camps, supply of purified water, a dispensary with full-time doctor, inpatient facility pharmacy and the like. Contributions in the field of education include free education by the establishment of a very big and spacious school in a large campus where the strength is only 450. Apart from these, significant contributions were made in the field of civic amenities like cemented concrete roads in the neighboring villages, bore wells, facilities like bus shelter, pension for old age citizens, etc. The Sitapuram unit has helped Zuari cement leverage a market position as a premium quality cement product and has continuously helped meet stringent market requirements on time without loss of quality. It is a model unit which adheres to implementation of the Ital Cementi Group's vision of sustainable development at every step on the journey. It is a unit where people come together with a vision to take the brand forward with practices that all groups can emulate.